Welcome back to Angry Al Outdoors, everybody. Today we're doing a review on these two stubby knives from Odenwolf. We're going to see if they're any good. They're not very big at all. And we're going to make a feather stick, a tent peg, and see if they can shed sparks on a ferro rod. So stick around, we'll get into it. All right, let's see how it does on some carving tasks. Just a piece of willow, we'll see how it does on cutting. Pretty smooth, pretty fast. So I'd say all in all, pretty good for making tent stakes. Quick and easy, pretty simple. Like I said, I can get good bite and good grip on this. It does allow me to do a little finer movements because it's so small. Right now we'll do a quick feather stick and see how they do for a little finer cuts. I have a feeling this guy will be the go-to on that. So all right, let's do a ferro rod test and see if they can throw any sparks. First up, it does have that nice flattened edge, so it's not really an issue as far as scraping. It doesn't pull off a ton of sparks, but enough. So all in all, are these worth it? It just depends if you like these little stubby knives or not. Like I mentioned, it's very similar to a Mora Eldris. If you like that style, I think they're fun. They're handy to have. They do allow you to do a lot finer tasks where you kind of need a thicker blade and you need to manipulate something. They're small, they're easy. It's just kind of a nice addition to throw in your pack. Like I said, Odenwolf's the company. The grip overall is what really sells this. It's just a nice solid grip and you can get a good bite with this handle and kind of work in and do tasks. So is it a big survival knife? No. It's just kind of a fun backup to throw in your pack or in your gear. Like I said, the rest of the features are nice as far as the clips, etc. Little stubby knives have their purpose and have their place. So check them out if you're interested. I hope this helped.